Hello, today we want to look at 8 types of phrases. But first, what is a phrase? This is a group of words without a subject and verb that works as a part of speech. It adds meaning to a sentence but can't stand alone. Example: she is going home. This is not a phrase because it is a complete sentence, has subject and verb. Going home. This is a phrase, no subject. Now let's jump right into the 8 types. 1. Noun phrase. Example: the old man slept. 2. Adjectival phrase. Example: a girl with blue eyes smiled. 3. Adverbial phrase. Example: he left before sunrise. 4. Verb phrase, also called phrasal verbs. Example: she has finished. 5. Gerund phrase. Example: swimming in the ocean is fun. 6. Prepositional phrase. Example: the book is on the table. 7. Infinitive phrase. Example: I love to read books. 8. Participial phrase. Example: running late, she skipped breakfast. Know these 8 types to write and speak better. See you in the next one.